Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Zhenya. Today we're going to talk about mature skin, what causes the aging, and how to delay it as long as possible. So first, let's talk about the term mature skin. What does it actually mean? Why has it had to be created? And what age are you considered to have mature skin? So after the age is 35, you're officially considered to have mature skin. So mature skin refers to skin that has signs of aging and that has different nutritional needs. So now let's talk about why the age is 35 considered to be the age when you have mature skin. According to a theory proposed by some molecular biologists, until the age of 35, you are in your prime childbearing years. So therefore, that beautiful skin that you got, the main purpose of that is to attract a mate and procreate. I don't know how much I actually believe that. Again, it's just a theory. Let me know in the comments below what you think. To me, it sounds kind of like, I don't know. I'm not fully convinced, but again, to me personally, I don't like putting the age on mature skin because I had a lot of clients who in their 50s, they didn't even use a lot of anti-aging skincare and they just have no signs of aging. So to me, I believe that the main reason of aging, and again, it's been backed up by research that I was doing, is the lack of nutrients in your body and your skin. So when you're depleted of the nutrients, your skin cannot protect itself, your skin cannot repair itself. So once your skin cannot perform its vital functions, that's when you get signs of aging. I personally don't like the term mature skin because nobody wants to be called old. So I made my own term for that and I propose we call the mature skin depleted skin because that's what it is. Your skin is just depleted of nutrients. Therefore, it's quite logical that the best way to prevent the aging is to consistently supplement your body with all the necessary nutrients. And how you can do it is that you really need to focus on your diet and your supplements and also what you put on your skin. So both of them are important, so you need to feed both ends. You cannot just think that skincare will fix everything and not to have a good diet, and also you cannot rely on your diet because no matter what you eat, it's not gonna protect your skin externally. So there's a skin nutrition and the body nutrition. Body nutrition works through digestion. Scientists haven't agreed yet what diet is the healthiest for your skin in order to prevent the aging, but what they do agree on is that you need to take your vitamins. The best way to get vitamins is with food, but obviously you can add a little bit of supplements to help you get all the necessary vitamins that you're not getting with food. Also, you need to eat foods rich in antioxidants, or like you can drink green tea, you can eat berries, citrus. So anything that has a lot of antioxidants that will help you prevent the aging more. Another important thing when you age, because you're producing less oil, you need to either take like fish oil supplements or you just need to eat some healthy fats. The scientists haven't agreed on the source, but a lot of them say that some of it has to come from animal sources like animal protein, and fish oil are actually really beneficial for the body if you want to prevent the aging, because not all the plant protein are complete proteins. So it's hard to get all the proteins and all the fats from vegan diet. As far as the skin nutrition goes, a lot of people are focusing on active anti-aging ingredients like retinol, vitamin C, AHAs. Those are really great because they can stimulate collagen production, but our skin needs much more than just collagen production. Our skin needs a lot of hydration, a lot of protection, and as we age, we produce less ceramides, which is the key nutrient that help you keep your skin barrier intact. So as we don't produce as much ceramides, it's really beneficial to use them in our skincare. So if you want to stay younger longer, you really need to focus on protecting your skin. You actually need to use more oils in your routine. You need to use vitamin F. You need to use a lot of hydration, both humectants and lipids that will lock the moisture in your skin. One last thing that I want to tell you is that don't underestimate the power of prevention. Even if you already have skin concerns, it's never too late to start using skincare. It's never too late to supplement in your body nutrition. You can reverse some of the damage that's been done to your skin. You can stimulate collagen production. You can protect your skin. If you want to learn the best way to protect your skin, check this video out that's telling you how to prevent sun damage. If you like this video, found it helpful, please like it down below, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family so everybody can look fabulous and have a great skin. Let me know in the comments below if you have any more questions, and I'll see you next time.